Did you know that you should only spend 1 minute and 12 seconds for each number in 100 questions per NP sa board exam? Ibig sabihin, bawal ma-stuck sa isang question, bawal mag-overthink ng sobra, at always remember to trust your nursing instincts. Hi, I'm Nurse Carla and I recently passed the Philippine Nursing Licensure Exam, and eto yung isang tip ko to someone who is about to take the PNLE this 2026. During review season, inensayo ko na talaga yung sarili ko sa pagsagot ng practice questions para hindi na ako mahirapan or mapagod sobra sa pagsagot ng actual board exam. Ito talaga yung ginamit ko nung nag-take ako ng board exam. Pag hindi ko talaga alam yung sagot, next question ka agad. Sa mismong board exam kasi, meron lang tayong 2 hours or 120 minutes to answer the 100 questions per NP. And eto pa yung natutunan ko during board exam. Yung kumain talaga ng oras ko is yung pag-shade mismo, hindi yung pagsagot. Kaya as early as now, if magtitake ka ng board exams this 2026 February man or August, kailangan mag-ensayo ka na sa pag-shade at pagsagot ng practice questions. Yung ginawa ko nun during board exam is that pag binasa ko ng isang beses yung tanong at nagets ko siya, isha-shade ko na talaga yung sure ko na answer. Pero pag hindi ko talaga siya magets sa unang basa ko, babasahin ko ulit siya the second time. Pero pag hindi ko talaga siya magets, next question ka agad. Pero nung sumasagot ako at hindi ako sure sa answer na napili ko, sinusulatan ko muna yung questionnaire bago siya i-transfer sa mismong Scantron. As in, lalagyan ko talaga ng malaking symbol yung paper ko kasi hindi ko dapat makalimutan na yung number na yon ay in-skip ko. Kaya dapat niyo din yun gawin para hindi nyo ma-skip yung isang number, sayang pa yung points, diba? So, paano ko nga ba na-build yung stamina ko sa pagsagot ng practice questions? Ito yung ginawa ko. Nagsagot talaga ako ng practice questions and test banks during my review for the board exams every single day. Yung minimum ko nun at first was 50, tapos naging 100, tapos naging 150, at naging 200. Yung pinakamaraming nasagutan ko ata for a single day is 500 questions from NP1 to NP5. Nagsisiba ako sa ginawa ko na pagsagot ng practice questions? Hindi. Dahil pagdating ng board exams, madali lang sagutan yung 100 questions at mas na-build na yung stamina ko. Therefore, hindi talaga ako napagod or naantok sa pagsasagot ng NP. And if you want to answer more practice questions that is very updated and naka-TOS based na siya, don't forget to visit our website and app at nle.ph. Good luck, future RNs! Galingan nyo!